In this lecture, guys, we want to add some clips on the timeline. We don't want to change what we have. We want to insert new clips. And of course, we will have longer time on the timeline and start making it more interesting. So I will show you several ways on how to insert a clip on your timeline. First of all, you want to decide where you want to insert your clip. Of course, using the playhead. Now, better yet, let's say I want to insert it over here. Okay, it can snap nicely, but it's better to use the down arrow to position the playhead exactly at the end of the previous clip and at the beginning of the next clip, of course. Now we have here 3 clips. This is the first one, which is a nice one. The guys are sleeping. We have another one here where he jumps and we view it on a different angle. Another one here where he also jumps, but we have also another angle here. The first thing I would like to repeat is never click and drag your clip over here and start now cutting it. This is not serious work. Use the source monitor to determine the in and out point, then you drop it in your timeline if it's an insert or an overwrite. Cool, let's do that. Let's start with the first one. Cool, I want to start from over here. So I press I to set the in point. Then I want to move 1 second forward. To move forward is the right arrow, you know that. Now I'm moving 1 frame forward. To move back to the in point, you know already that is Shift I. So I to set the in point, Shift I to jump to the in point. Now I want to move forward 1 second. We have this option under playback. If you come to step 1, you have frame forward, right arrow, okay? And you have a second forward, where the Shift right arrow will take you forward 1 second. Let's do that here. And then I'll press Shift right, I'm moving 1 second. And we set the out point, pressing O. So now I have the in and out point. I'm ready to insert my clip. If you directly use the insert just over here, or you press F9, or if you click and drag and go to insert, now notice what's happening. I'm gonna click over here. It will insert the clip through. So it will insert your clip, moving everything afterward to the right. And also it has inserted the audio, which really we don't want that. We don't want to cut our song here or our music. There is something here called the track targets. So you target which tracks you want your clip to come on. For example, for video, you notice that V1 here, or video 1 is V1. It has been highlighted with red, okay, a border, where it says this is the target track. You can change that. You can click on video 2, and notice video 2 becomes a video 1. This one stays 1. Notice how it works. Okay, so now video 2 is the targeted track for video. Now for audio, I really don't want any audio. So I need to cancel any targeting. So all I have to do is to make sure I press on A1. Now it's no more targeted, but it's highlighted because it's only track. Now if I do an insert, you notice that the video came on the target, that is video 2, and the audio has cut. Not exactly what I wanted. I don't want the audio to be cut. So my best chance is to lock the audio layer. So now there is no editing on the audio layer. And here you are, you can use the insert now. Very nice. So let's see if the 1 second is nice enough. Okay, not bad. Good. Stop over here and use the up arrow to go to the edit point. Take the second video. I want to take this one. So I'm going to start just from over here. That's how the guy is moving. Okay, just here. I put the eye. Of course, this is a rough cut, so later on I will adjust them. Then move, let's say, to just over here. Okay, the guy is in the air. I'll put the out point. And now again, another insert. Perfect. See, it's working very nice. 1, they're sleeping, and the guy jumps. And the reason I left him here, I'll go back 1 frame, because I want to use the other clip now. Okay, here you are. And then notice what I'm going to do. Okay, that's it. But from a different angle. It's going to look very nice, I think. This is, I press I for the in point. Move towards, that's enough. I think just like this. Then now I will click on the insert. Here you are. And it has inserted the clip. Let's play it. It's pretty cool now. They're sleeping. He jumps 1 angle, second angle. Pretty nice. So that is the insert in concept. Let's come over here. And the guy is jumping. You notice this? It's a very long clip. So let's go somewhere where there is something nice. For example, this guy here. So let's say the guy starts just over here. Okay, that's cool. That's the in point. And then he drops. And now here I'll put the out point. I want to insert it on V2 and this clip will be cut. Notice what's going to happen. Here you are. This is another insert, but it cuts the clip that is under it, makes space. So you notice what's happening here. So the guy comes in, he's turning, this guy jumps, and he continues. For example, I'm sure you can do better. So actually, this is about the insert is as easy as this. You should get used to the F9, which I didn't press here because I want to show you, or you can use the click and drag to insert here. But usually the F9 is the mostly used. Now you know how to use the insert if it is on an edit point of two clips, like we have done here, or to cut a clip and insert another clip on top. Thank you very much for listening. I will see you in the next lecture.